how to turn on or turn off Google Calendar Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accounts and Backup. Now in here, tap on Manage Accounts, then tap on your Google account. Next, in here, tap on Sync Account, and then we go down and tap on the Calendar toggle button to turn off Sync for Calendar or turn it on. Once you turn on Calendar Sync, it will immediately try to sync with the server. So that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off Google Calendar Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.